Hello, my cute little artist. Welcome to the Magical Art with Ananya. Quickly grab your drawing copy, pencil, and colors because we are going to draw a small and cute scenery of a cat. So, first we'll draw the paws of the cat, then we'll make the outline to draw the ears, the face. So, basically, the cat is on the top of the wall, and you know what it is seeing? It is searching for fish because cats love to eat fish, correct? So we have added eyes and a cute nose and a naughty smile of the cat. Now drawing the wall is very easy just with sleeping and standing lines. We have added bush, cloud, birds because it's a bright sunny day. Now at the bottom it's water and there are fishes. So we'll add 2 to 3 fish to complete the scenery. So you need to color the cat with a beautiful and bright color and color the scenery very nicely so that it looks beautiful. And also you need to follow the magical art with Ananya for more such content.